History, through the years, how to play. There are two ways to play, cooperatively and competitively. In co-op mode, the object of the game is to win more rounds than you lose. Shuffle the year cards with the number side face down. At the start of each round, read the top card and flip it over on the table so the number is revealed to create the anchor. Then, take the top 6 cards from the deck, keeping their number side hidden, and all the players must work together to arrange them in the correct chronological sequence from oldest to newest, in a line relative to the anchor card. Players are allowed to communicate, move, and rearrange cards as much as they want. Once finished, reveal the cards one at a time from oldest to newest. As the cards are revealed, if a card is in the correct order in relation to the anchor card and all other revealed cards in the lineup, then that card stays where it is. If the card is incorrect, then it is removed from the lineup and set aside. Once all the cards are revealed, if the total number of cards in the lineup, not counting the anchor card, is greater than the number of cards that were removed, then you win the round. But if the removed cards are equal to or greater, then you lose the round. Set all the used cards aside and play another round. Continue this process until you have played rounds equal to the number of players, or a determined length of time. Then the game ends. If you won more rounds than you lost, then you all win the game. In competitive mode, the object of the game is to be the first player to play all the cards in your hand. Shuffle the year cards with the number side face down. Then read the top card and flip it over on the table so the number is revealed to create the anchor. Deal each player cards with their number side hidden based on the number of players. 5 cards for 2 to 4 players, down to 3 cards for 8 or more players. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, place one of your cards on the chronological timeline in relation to the anchor card and all other face-up cards from oldest to newest. You are allowed to place a card in between 2 cards, adjusting the line as needed. Once placed, flip the card over. If the card is in the correct chronological sequence in relation to the anchor and all other face-up cards, then the card remains where it is and your turn ends. If it is in the wrong place, then the card is discarded and you must draw a new card from the deck and your turn ends. The first player to play all the cards in their hand is the winner.